So let's talk about selling to law offices. There are 3 sales scenarios that are available to you in this package. First scenario is to buy these leads. This is you talking to a law office or an attorney saying, hey, would you like to buy these leads? Second scenario is get a free website with every lead. No, well, you're giving them a free website and that's going to generate leads for them and they pay you monthly for those leads or for that website. And then the third scenario Charlie, is to upgrade your site and pay you a flat fee to do so. So let's talk about these in more detail. For the first scenario, we want to have a website for a particular term, a keyword, like a trouble keyword, and rank that site and have a call to action on it that's going to generate leads. We want to gather that lead information and sell those leads to an attorney who services that niche. We can do it 2 ways. We have an exclusive sale. They're going to pay a higher amount per lead. You're going to make less sales, but you're going to make more money per sale. Or we do a more general approach where they pay a little less for the lead. You'll do more individual sales of that lead to multiple attorney offices. Ideally, we want to create some kind of term contract or per instance fee. So for every lead generated, they're paying you a fee, or they pay you a flat fee to generate a predetermined amount of leads. So identify a target and build a custom demo for that particular target and rank it for a term. Then you approach them with, hey, I got a free website for you. If you sign up for it, a monthly contract, we'll give you an unlimited amount of leads from it. The third scenario is using basically the stock demo site with a little customization and selling it outright. What we want to do is identify the target that matches the demo. So we have a demo that sells a particular service, find a law office that matches that demo that you put together, find the ones that lack any features, require an update, and approach them with the website sales pitch. Those are the 3 scenarios you'll often run into. Now, if you remember, I had you build a lead spreadsheet. That spreadsheet is what you're going to use to reach out via email or telephone and pitch them on either buying leads, getting a free website to get unlimited leads or paid leads, or just buying a website. But some of the approaches you'll use are, hey, I'm a local consumer marketer. I'm a local law marketer would be better. I accidentally started getting leads, and do you want to service them? Would you like to buy them from me? You can take a hardline approach and say, listen, your website's terrible. Would you like me to upgrade your website for free and get you leads? This would be a strong one. Or would you like to pay half for the same quality of leads that you're getting now? The point here is to get your name inside of their heads. They, in their meetings, have likely discussed buying leads and upgrading or having a website already. And they are likely already paying top dollar for leads. So any kind of savings that you can offer them is something that they're going to be worth or curious enough to explore. We want to sell them a package. So we want to use email, phone, hard snail mail, whatever it takes to get them to notice us and our offer. More importantly, you want to get the decision maker to notice our offer. And that means getting him on the phone, getting his email address, whatever it takes. Never pitch the gatekeeper. The receptionist does not care about you or what you're offering. They get 1,000 phone calls a day. So what we need to do is focus our efforts on getting that decision maker on the phone. We're going to be putting some sales pitches together for you. You'll be able to use those to get past the gatekeeper and to sell the attorney or whoever is making the decisions on marketing to buy our stuff. It's important when you are selling to never give up. Be persistent. It pays off. Keep digging until you hit that gold. If you stop just shy of the gold, well, then you'll never be able to pull that gold out of the ground and cash it in. And remember, finally, to sell with the benefits of either getting leads, which are low-cost leads, a managed solution. They don't have to do anything. They don't have to write any content or anything like that unless they want to. Sell with the benefits. If they're getting a website, then, if they're just buying the website outright, they're going to get a done-for-you website that's going to be able to be put up in days, not months. They're going to be able to have their own mobile-friendly system in place where before they were using Flash and people on iPhone devices weren't able to view their website. They're going to have better lead capture. They're going to have better social media presence. They're going to gather fresh leads for them. Sell with the benefits of doing the work, not with the features. So it's Not you're going to get a lead capture website. It's you're going to get a fully equipped solution that automatically gathers leads for you when somebody lands on the website. Now, after you make that sale, you want to grow the client. So we offer an upsell, something to add value to our lead or our website deal. So what you could offer, social media marketing presence and content is a big part of that. Provides for some great backlinks to their website. Video and blog content strategy, we can do that. And of course, we can do reputation management. It's a big part of it. And then Google for Business, another big part of reputation. All of these things you can outsource. And in fact, that's what we're going to talk about next, about growing your revenue, using white label services and outsourcers to collect service fees and use these third parties to do the work for us.